Hello everyone, welcome to our class assembly, and today we're talking about Article 23, and alongside with a little bit of chatter from me, we have put some images on YouTube for you to have a look at. If you have a look at those and you can discuss with your family or the person that you live with what you think's happening in those images, and some of them are interesting and some of them are really good talking points, and you can have a little discussion about that, and you can post that on Class Dojo and talk about what you think's happening in those images, and then we could have a little look at those and see what you think, or you can have a little look at the images and perhaps comment on the one that you like the most and why, and what you think's going on in those images. So Article 23 talks a little bit about everyone should promote and recognise children with special needs and disabilities in a positive way, and this should be done throughout the world without prejudice, and that all disabled children receive the right care and assistance, and they are allowed to experience and achieve and conduct a fulfilled normal life. Okay, so everybody should be treated fairly and should have the same experiences as everybody else. Okay, so that's what we're talking about today. So have a little look at the images and see what you think. Okay, thank you, bye.
I got backstabbed by a black cap when I needed a friend. But now I'm in town, break it down, thinking I'm making a new sound, playing a different show every night in front of a new crowd. That's you now, hello child, seems the laugh is great now. See me lose focus as I sing to you loud, and I can't, no I won't hush. I say the words that make you blush. I'm gonna sing this now. See, I'm true, my songs are where my heart is. I'm like glue, I stick to other artists. I'm not you, now that will be disastrous. Let me sing and do my thing and move to greener pastures. See, I'm real, I do it all, it's all me. I'm not fake, don't ever call me lazy. I won't stay put, give it a chance to be free. Suffolk sadly seems to sort of suffocate me. 'Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you.